y'all, so I'm back with part 2 on how to curl a Cambodian Slight Coarse Wavy unit, or any wavy or straight unit for that matter. Please check out part 1 on how to create some nice long natural layers. It's about 1 video back, and I'm going to be using my Babyliss Pro extra long titanium barrel curler for this. Turn all the way up to 435 degrees. What you want to do is separate the hair, part it straight down the middle, and you're going to want to start from the bottom on up with curling the hair. Okay, so I get small sections or medium size, just depending on how large you want your curls to be. In this case, they're going to be nice loose waves. You want to comb out that section and begin curling. So you want to smooth out the top. You don't want anything lumpy. You want to twist, slide down, twist, slide down, and keep on with that routine through the length of the hair. Then you want to hold it there for roughly 10 seconds. You want to leave a little piece, a tip at the end. And after 10 seconds, you're going to want to release it, and then you'll get a nice long spiral curl, which after it combs out, it honestly just becomes like some loose natural waves. So it's pretty much wash, rinse, and repeat at this point. You're going to do this on all the hair. Take a section, separate it, comb down it, flatten the top, twist, twist, curl, curl, hold it there for 10 seconds, release the curl, and then you'll have a nice spiral. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this section pretty much. Just know you're going to do one side and then repeat on the other. Okay, so we're almost to the finish line. I'm down to the very last 2 pieces, which are in the front. This will be, the bang area. First thing I like to do is turn off my curling iron. This is some soft Swiss lace. It will burn easily, so I just want to reduce the heat as much as possible. And of course, I smooth the top, but right here, I do a wand curl. So both of these curls, I do a wand curl, wrap it around the barrel, hold it there for 10 seconds, make sure it's not leaning on the lace, release, and repeat on the other side. So, the curls do look like the ones in the back, but I find that they're a little softer and looser, and that's kind of like the look I like. And then I apply some pressure towards the front here for that little raised up piece that people like in the bang area. And these are the final results as I comb out the curls. So I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to doing all this work, when you comb it out, it's gonna give you loose waves. It's beautiful, but I'd be like, I don't know. I feel like something be missing, but that's honestly the look that you're going for. You don't want any tight curls. This is not the 1980s or 90s. You want something nice, soft, and flowy. So, that's the end result. If you want something tighter, use a smaller size barrel curler in smaller sections, okay? So I'm just putting it on my mannequin head so you can get the full effect here. Nice, long, natural layers, nothing harsh. Nice loose waves, gorgeous. Another angle here, and then I'm going to throw it on my head. I'm not really trying to be seen here. I got on my thick glasses, giving very much sexy red here, but yeah, just want to show you, what it looks like. 22 inches Cambodian Slight Coarse Wavy. This was a custom order, but I am accepting more, so please check me out at unkempcurls.com, and I'll be happy to assist.